Hi, my name is Thomas Bidou. I am French Payroll Experts founder and CEO. I've been doing payroll for over 20 years now. Since I am 41, that means half my life and all my professional life. And I will be your instructor for this tutorial.
Paid vacation, the entitlement. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using a bogus payslip created specifically for this tutorial. All personal information displayed are false. Each year, every employee is entitled to paid leave at the expense of the employer. This rule also applies to foreign companies without establishment in France. The employer has the obligation to give vacation day to his employee. He must take all necessary measures to enable employees to use his vacation day. Consequently, the employee must take his vacation days. If he does not, he cannot claim any compensation. Paid leave must be exercised in kind. No compensatory allowance can replace the actual taking of leave, even if both parties agree to it. The employee acquires 2.08 open days of vacation per month of actual work. It may not exceed 25 open days per year. Vacation days can also be counted in workable days. In this case, the acquired days are 2.5 workable days per month, and the limit is 30 workable days. The total of days acquired during a year is always rounded to the highest digit. Vacation days are acquired per year. However, the legal acquisition period is not the civil year. It is from June to May. Every company can choose a different period. To do so, the choice must be written in a company agreement. Every period of work gives vacation entitlement. 4 weeks of actual work is worth 1 month of entitlement. This means that every 4 weeks an employee acquires 2.08 or 2.5 paid vacation days. They do not need to be continuous weeks. A part-time employee acquires as many days as a full-time employee. Of course, the days off are also considered as vacation days. Therefore, the total of vacation days is the same as for a full-time employee. This is the theory. How does it work on a payslip? On the lowest part of the payslip, you will find vacation counters. There are 2 counters for the vacation days. One is called congé N-1 and the other congé N. Congé N-1 is the detail of the days acquired in the previous period. In our case, since this is an April 2019 payslip, congé N-1 refers to vacation days acquired before June 2018. That is because the current acquisition period is from June 2018 to May 2019. Congé N refers to the vacation days acquired since June 2018. On our payslip, you can see that the employee only acquired 5 days before June 2018. On this example, the days acquired are workable days, Monday to Saturday. Since he used those 5 days, they are indicated in the prix part of the counter, and the days left to be used out of congé N-1 are 0. From June 2018 to April 2019, he acquired 27.5 days, that is 2.5 days per month, for 11 months. Since the acquisition period is not over yet, the number of days acquired is not yet rounded to the highest digit. The employee used 25 of the acquired vacation days. The prix is worth 25 days, and the days left to be used is 27.5 minus 25 equal 2.5 days.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to request a specific tutorial, don't hesitate to do it in the comment of this post or by email at contact@fpexpert.fr. Thank you for watching this tutorial.